Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel today. Get ready to witness something absolutely jaw-dropping. Imagine a luxury home, smarter than most houses, safer than any SUV, and more stylish than a five-star hotel, all packed into one incredible machine. Yes, we're talking about the brand new 2026 Volvo Motorhome, and this one comes with a price tag of nearly $2 million. Now you might be wondering, what could possibly make a motorhome worth that kind of money? Stick with me because what I'm about to show you will completely change the way you look at luxury travel. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted with a Scandinavian design masterpiece. Minimalist, sleek, and filled with natural light thanks to panoramic glass windows. The living space feels more like a designer apartment in Stockholm than a motorhome on wheels. The kitchen is state-of-the-art with smart appliances that respond to your voice, induction cooking, and hidden storage solutions that keep everything clean and clutter-free. It's luxury but also practicality, very Volvo. Moving to the lounge, you'll find plush leather, seating that transforms at the touch of a button into a cinema-style setup with a massive OLED screen. Volvo didn't just think about comfort, they've turned road trips into full-on cinematic experiences. And the bedroom. A king-sized bed with adaptive memory foam, skylights above for stargazing, and integrated climate control that keeps the temperature perfect no matter where your travels take you. Right next to it, the bathroom feels like stepping into a luxury spa. Rainfall shower, heated floors, and even a built-in steam feature. But here's the real kicker. Volvo's legendary safety and innovation shine through in this motorhome. It comes with autonomous driving features, AI-assisted navigation, and a hybrid powertrain that gives you both eco-friendly travel and serious long-haul endurance. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a glimpse into the future of luxury mobility. So is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome worth $2 million? For most of us, it's a dream. But for those lucky enough to own it, it's more than a motorhome. It's freedom, comfort, and cutting-edge technology wrapped in pure Scandinavian style. If you enjoyed this sneak peek into Volvo's luxury masterpiece, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Auto Plus for more jaw-dropping reviews of the world's most incredible rides. Because trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.